What?
Line the red dots up.
Line the dots up before you get to your, put your finger on the trigger. Do you got it lined up?
No, I can't get it.
Just try. Just try to fire it.
Ah!
Okay, now you gotta cock it again.
Is that...
Can you pull it?
No. I don't want to break it. That's what I don't want to do.
Okay. Good job.
I think I hit the target. That's what I think. I can't do that. Whoa! I hate those darn tanks.
Okay, now you got that one cocked. Go. Take your time.
Okay, I almost got it lined up, Mama.
Did you fire?
No. But I almost had it lined up so I could hit the target.
Okay, fire.
I need to clean this down.
Just keep them and fire. Don't move.
Why?
I'll cock it for you.
Okay.
You're cocked.
So it's easy.
Line it up real good.
I think I hit it this time. I'm gonna keep shooting.
Keep shooting until they tell you to stop, baby.
I'm gonna keep trying to hit the target.
Take your time, line it up. The little hole with the red to the circle. You have to keep those on at all times. I don't care if they're dirty.
It's hard to see.
Well, I don't doubt that. Line it up.
Mom.
Just line it up. I know the glasses are dirty, but that's the best I can do.
Yes, sir. We're sorry.
Do you want to fire it or not?
Here.
Yeah. Ow, my face.
You want to swap?
There. He's willing to give you different ones. We say.
Real quick.
Thank you.
You're welcome, buddy.
Oh, that's better. That's so much better.
Is that so much better?
Yeah.
Okay. So that means you're going to hit a bullseye?
Thanks. I can.
Boy, you are like Mama. You take your time, don't you?
Well, that's good when you're shooting. There, you're getting
Yeah.
Just take your time and line it up. You line the hole with the red. Oh my gosh, you almost hit the bullseye.
How do you know?
Because I can see the hole. Here.
Wow.
Really careful. Stop.
What? Is that my
Okay.
last bullet?
No, just try. Right there. You're doing a great job.
It's killing me, that's why. But everything getting blurry.
Just come on. You don't have much time to practice.
Sure don't. We only give you 5 minutes.
Again?
Oh, because you put your hand over the sight. No, do not move those.
You gotta keep them on, buddy.
Look. One hand where the trigger is. One hand right here. Right like that. Now line it up.
What did I have? Can I almost get it?
I don't think you had a bullet come out.
What do you mean?
I just don't think you're getting bullets to come out.
What do you mean? Dude, look at all those bullets.
Yeah, I know, but I don't think you're getting them to come out.
Oh, yeah, I do.
Try again. There, I heard one that time. Okay,
Where are the bullets going?
they're just in there. Try it again. Good job.
Did I hit it?
Yeah, you're in the target. You almost hit the bullseye. Come on.
Dude, I'm in the target.
Just keep trying. Oh, do we need to kneel?
Yeah, but this time I was
You got. What? Behind the red line, baby. We're having a hard time getting bullets.
Oh, for my hat.
Just give me the hat. Keep those on and don't move them again. Stand up, kneel, whatever, but stay here. How cute that you already knew how to kneel all on your own.
What about it?
Don't move.
Then we take it?
Do we just do it down? You have to shake it.
Over and over.
All right, this is your last shot. Take your time and aim really well. No, stop. Just take your shot. You won't have that much time. Good job.
I'm gonna go check it, okay?
No, you can't.
Yes, you can.
No.
Yes, you can go check it.
Not yet. Do you have your glasses on?